Hello everyone, myself Nilay Parekh. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about conditional operator, or the another name of this operator is ternary operator. The main point of this operator is it is a replacement of if-else statement. The problem which can solve by if-else can also be solved by this conditional operator. So in many exams they are asking justify how conditional operator is used in place of if-else. Now let's see how it works. First of all, the symbol for this conditional operator is question mark and colon. About syntax, first we will write the condition, then we will put question mark, and then operand 1 colon operand 2. Either we will put value colon value 2. So if condition is going to be true, the result will be value 1 or operand 1, and if condition is going to be false, result will be operand 2 or value 2. So this is the syntax about conditional operator. Now let's understand this conditional operator with a C program. We will find which number is maximum among two numbers. So first of all, we will put our header file hash include stdio.h, then another header file hash include conio.h. Then we will start our main function void space main function. We will start curly braces. Now in this program we require three variables. So we will take integer a equals to 5, comma b equals to 7, comma c. You can take either printf enter the value of a scanf a, printf enter the value of b scanf b, or you can directly assign the value to the particular variable. Then according to syntax we will find maximum number, and the result is going to be stored in variable number c. C equals to in bracket a greater than b, that is our condition, question mark. If this condition is true, a colon, if this condition is false, b, and semicolon. So this statement will identify which value is maximum, as we took a equals to 5, b equals to 7, so we know the maximum number is 7. So the value of b, that is 7, is stored into c, and what we are doing, we are printing the result, printf %d c get ch and closing curly bracket. So output will be 7. This problem can also be solved by if-else and conditional operator. So in this today's lecture we understood conditional operator or ternary operator and how it is replacement of if-else. I made a small quiz regarding this topic. The link is in caption. Please go through it. If you find any error or any doubt, please mention in comment. आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you.